Hey guys, we got a 2024 Toyota Highlander. I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter. It's pretty easy to do. We're going to go over here and push that down and bring it inside so that pops out. Do the same thing on this side. Okay, so once you pop both of those out, you're going to pop this off as well. And your whole glove box should just fall off. If you have a friend or an extra hand, you can hold that so it doesn't fall off. Your cabin air filter is right here behind this piece. So to open this door right here, it's kind of hard to see, but you're going to push those in. So like that. And filter is right here. Pull it out. This one is pretty dirty, it looks like. I don't know, I'm not sure. No, it's not too dirty. But you're just gonna remove it from this little case and then make sure when you put it in, that arrow is pointing up. Just like that. Put it in place. Put your cover back on. I push it in over here first so these tabs are stuck in, and then just pop that on. And remember when you put the glove box on to put this piece on. That's how you do it. I'll link a cabin air filter in the description for you from Amazon. Thanks for watching.